Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Giulia. I'm Giulia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I love to get feedback from my viewers. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my newly released videos. Also, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I invite you to join my Facebook group called Crafting with Giulia's Creative Community, where you can be part of my crafting family. All of those links are in the description below this video. Today's video is all about craft organization. It's a challenge hosted by Tami from Happiness Created and Theresa from Theresa B DIY. Although my craft room is pretty organized, after the holidays it needed to be tidied up a bit. So in this video I am going to show you how I organize some of my things, and I am also going to show you some of the things that needed to be organized, how I went about that. So let's get started. The first thing I wanted to tackle was this mess under my desk with all these wires. I thought it was so unsightly. So I found this on Amazon. It's from D-Line. It's a cable tidy unit. And what you do is you just put your entire surge protector in this box. It has little grooves in it so the wires will come out of it. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to try to take this now and just stick it right in the box. And it fits perfectly. This is the large one. They come in different sizes. I bought the large one. This is, it's 16.5 inches long by 6.5 inches wide and 5.25 inches high. And that is the large one. And it comes in black or white. And it's just a nice little cable management box. So it organizes your cords, it hides and conceals the power strip and all the desk cables. And the links to where I purchased this on Amazon is in the description box below if you are interested. So let's just put the cover back on. Snap that in and put it back in the corner, and there you go, nice and tidy. Love it. And now to tackle this mess. These are all my paintbrushes, so obviously this needed some kind of organization. So I went on Amazon and I found this artist organization rack, and I bought 2 of them. It's a solid plastic frame that you just put together, and it holds a variety of art tools. It can hold not only paintbrushes, but markers, pencils, and whatnot, pens. So this is nice for a little organization. So I'm just going to put all my brushes in here, and we'll see. And they hold about 96 brushes, so I'm sure this is going to be more than enough. And here it is, all finished, all organized. I love it. Check out this cute spinning desktop organizer that I got on Amazon, and this holds all of my markers. I purchased these stackable bins from Amazon. It's from Bins and Things. They're little storage containers with about 40 compartments, and they're great for storing little things like pony beads and all of these beads that I have that I use for making my dolls. Any little embellishments that I have, I put in this box. And as you can see, it snaps on and off, and they have little containers inside with dividers so that you can organize all of your embellishments. This is another great little system that I use for storing all of my buttons. As you can see, they're all in color, or they're organized by color. that's that bin. And then this bin is where I organize all of my brads, my googly eyes, grommets, all my little things are all organized in here. And these are nice because they stack. You can stack one on top of the other. Or if you have wall space, you can also hang them on the wall. They come with little things in the back that make it easy to hang. I needed a way to store my vinyl, so I purchased these plastic bag holders from IKEA. I purchased a number of them, and now I don't have the wall space to put them on the wall, so my husband went ahead and put them all together and put them on a Lazy Susan so that I can spin it. So it's a freestanding vinyl tower. And now I'm just going to videotape the rest of my craft room just to show you how I organize everything.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at more than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Of all the magic places.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. Happy crafting!